Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can turn off auto update Lite on Facebook Lite. So, let's get started. Firstly, open Facebook Lite app in your device. Then tap on three lines icon. Next, tap on settings. After that, tap on Facebook Lite updates. Next, you can see the option of Auto Update Lite. Turn off it by tapping on it. Next, tap on Turn Off. So, this is how you can turn off Auto Update Lite on Facebook Lite. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.